Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today we want to look at a complex question received by a student. Okay, let's see how to go about this. When I received this question in the first place, that is x squared plus 1 over x squared equal 527, then the square root of x into square root of x minus y plus 1 equals 0. We are asked to look for the value of y, not the value of x this time around. Now, at first, when I have the question at hand, for the first 10 minutes, I couldn't do anything on the question. After 10 minutes, I was able to figure out one way of solving the question. Then later, I discovered another way. I was able to solve this question with 3 different methods, but I like the last method in which I applied in solving this question. If you like to know every other method, because I will only be using the last method to solve in this video, if you like to see any other method, you can let me know in the comment section below. Let's see how we can solve this. My focus is how to write this one that is going to look like this so that I can compare coefficients. Now, in order to do that, I can write this as x squared plus 1 over x squared equal 527. If you look at this square here, it's not a perfect square. Hence, a perfect square, if I have a plus b all square, this will be a square plus b square, plus 2ab, then plus b square. This is a complete square and this is a perfect square. But if you look at this one, the square is not complete and this one is not a perfect square as well. Hence, if I can make this one a perfect square, this one will become what? A complete square. How can I make this one a perfect square? That's the logic. To add 2 to this one, it will become a perfect square. Okay? So, since this is an equation, I have to do whatever I do to this to the other side also. Hence, I will add this to be x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 equal 527 plus 2. Hence, this will become x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 equal what? 529. 529 is a perfect square because I can write this as 23 raised to power of 2. Hence, this one also can become what? A perfect square, that is x plus 1 over x all square equal 23 square. So this and this can cancel. If this and this should cancel, I then have that x plus 1 over x equal 23. If you look at this now, this is not a perfect square also. Although this one is not a square if you're looking at it, but it is also a square because if I look for the LCM of this, I'm going to add this to be square plus 1. So this particular square is not complete also. So this square is not complete, this one is not a perfect square. I can make this one a perfect square by adding 2 to this. If I add 2 to this, this becomes a perfect square and this square will also complete. Hence, I can add that to be x plus 1 over x plus 2 equal 23 plus 2. So this one will become x plus, if I'll make this a perfect square, this will become what? The square root of x plus 1 all over the square root of x all square equal 5 square rather. Yes, because 2 plus 3 is 25. Then 5 square is also 25. So these 2 and these 2 can cancel and I will have the square root of x plus 1 over the square root of x minus 5 to equal 0. Okay, if you are seeing this now that we have this, I can rewrite this equation like the square root of x minus 5 plus 1 over the square root of x equal 0. So, if this should be the case, what I can do here now is to look for the LCM of 1 and the square root of x. Remember, the focus of this class is to make what? This particular function here to look like this. Hence, I can have this to be the square root of x into the square root of x minus 5, then plus 1 equal 0. Just like I multiplied through by the LCM of 1 and square root of x. So the LCM of 1 and square root of x is square root of x. So multiplying through by that will make what? The square root of x cancel there. Y square root of x will multiply these two. And that's why you're seeing it in the bracket. And square root of x times 0 is 0. Absolutely. Now, if you look at this now, it's exactly like what I have here. Hence, let us collect the like terms or compare coefficients rather. So this is square root of x into square root of x minus 5 plus 1 equal the square root of x into square root of x minus y plus 1. So you will see there that y is equal to 5, like that. So it's as simple as that. If you like to see the other two methods, you can let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share within your friends. Have a nice day.